When we talk about motorhomes, we often imagine family trips, camping weekends, or adventurous journeys across highways and mountains. But today, we're diving into a motorhome that goes far beyond the normal idea of RV living. We're reviewing the world's most expensive motorhome, a luxury masterpiece on wheels that combines the comfort of a five-star hotel, the technology of a smart home, and the exclusivity of a luxury yacht, all built into one rolling palace. This is not just a motorhome. It's a statement of wealth, innovation, and ultimate travel luxury. Let's explore every detail of what makes it the crown jewel of the RV world. First impressions and exterior design. At first glance, the world's most expensive motorhome is unlike anything you've seen before. Instead of the boxy, traditional RV design, it carries a futuristic and aerodynamic look. Its sleek body curves are inspired by supercars, with a combination of lightweight aluminum and high-grade composite materials for both style and strength. The exterior is finished with custom paintwork, often with metallic accents, and LED lighting that runs along the sides for a premium, almost spaceship-like glow at night. Some models even feature retractable side balconies, offering outdoor lounge space at the push of a button. With a length of around 40 feet and a towering height, this motorhome commands attention on any road or at any luxury resort. It doesn't just transport you, it makes a grand entrance wherever it arrives. Driving and performance now, let's talk about performance. A motorhome of this price tag doesn't cut corners when it comes to engineering. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, it features a turbocharged diesel engine delivering immense power, ensuring smooth highway cruising despite its enormous size. Adaptive suspension systems make the ride incredibly smooth, adjusting automatically to different terrains. Whether you're gliding down the freeway or navigating mountain roads, the experience is stable, comfortable, and surprisingly quiet. The cockpit itself feels like a luxury car, with leather captain's chairs, a digital dashboard, heads-up displays, and advanced driver assist systems. The driver's area feels closer to a private jet than a standard RV. Lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras give drivers complete confidence in maneuvering this luxury giant. Interior. A mansion on wheels. Step inside, and you immediately understand why this motorhome is the most expensive in the world. The interior is a masterclass in luxury design. Think marble countertops, Italian leather furniture, handcrafted wood paneling, and gold or chrome accents. Each unit is often custom-built, allowing owners to choose their preferred design themes, from modern minimalism to classic opulence. Living area. The living room feels like a high-end penthouse suite. Expansive sofas, smart LED mood lighting, and even a large flat-screen OLED TV with surround sound are standard. Some models also feature hidden entertainment systems that rise out of cabinets at the push of a button. Large panoramic windows provide incredible views of your surroundings, while soundproofing ensures complete peace and quiet inside. Kitchen and dining. The kitchen rivals those of luxury apartments. Equipped with high-end appliances, think induction cooktops, a full-size fridge, oven, dishwasher, and even wine coolers, it allows for gourmet cooking on the road. A dining table, often expandable, provides space for family or guests, turning mealtimes into a fine dining experience. Bedrooms. The master bedroom is pure indulgence. Expect a king-size memory foam or hybrid mattress, motorized blinds, built-in mood lighting, and entertainment systems. Some even include walk-in closets and private safes for valuables. Guest rooms or convertible sleeping areas ensure that the motorhome can comfortably host additional travelers without sacrificing style or comfort. Bathrooms. This is where it truly breaks away from standard RVs. The bathroom features spa-like design with rainfall showers, heated floors, smart mirrors, and high-end fixtures. In some cases, there are even full bathtubs, a rarity in mobile living. Luxury features and technology. What makes the world's most expensive motorhome stand out even more are its smart technologies and over-the-top amenities. Smart control systems. The entire home can be controlled from a tablet or smartphone, from lighting and temperature to blinds and security. Expandable sections. Slide-outs create extra living space at the touch of a button, expanding the interior into a wide, open apartment. Rooftop terrace. Many models include a roof deck with seating, sunbathing areas, and sometimes even a hot tub. Garage space. Yes, this motorhome can carry your luxury car inside. A built-in garage allows owners to bring along a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or any sports car of choice. Advanced security. Biometric locks, 360-degree surveillance cameras, and bullet-resistant windows ensure complete safety. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling fortress of comfort and technology. Price tag. Now comes the jaw-dropping part. The price. The world's most expensive motorhome is estimated at over $3 million, depending on customizations. Some models, especially from brands like Mobile's LMM and Palazzo Superior, have reached even higher. To put it in perspective, this is more expensive than many houses, luxury cars, and even private yachts. But for the ultra-wealthy who want the freedom of the road without sacrificing an ounce of luxury, the price is justified. Who is it for? The world's most expensive motorhome is not built for the average traveler. It's designed for business magnates, celebrities, and those who want the best of everything, even when they're on the move. For them, it's not just transportation, it's a mobile lifestyle, offering privacy, luxury, and flexibility without relying on hotels or vacation rentals. Pros and cons. Pros. Unmatched luxury and comfort. State-of-the-art technology and security. Customizable design and features. Smooth driving performance for its size. Exclusive, one-of-a-kind status symbol. Cons. Astronomical price tag. High maintenance and operational costs. Limited practicality for average travelers. Requires special storage and sometimes restricted road access. Final verdict. So, is the world's most expensive motorhome worth it? If you're looking for practicality, the answer is no. But if you're someone who already owns private jets, yachts, and mansions, this is the perfect addition to your collection. It's more than just a vehicle. It's an experience, a statement, and a lifestyle. For those who can afford it, it delivers the freedom of the open road combined with the comfort of the finest luxury suites in the world. The world's most expensive motorhome is proof that luxury has no limits. It takes the dream of travel and turns it into a reality where the journey is just as extraordinary as the destination.